Hi guys, how are we doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis. So sorry I couldn't make a video for you guys. I have a lot going on. I actually did the video, but the editing and the uploading was not humanly possible for me. I'm so sorry. And which is why I'm going to make it up for you. I'm going to give you 2 free setups in this video. 2 free setups for the video. So DXY has been doing a lot. Like I told you, I think it's heading up for this other block above. So it's still like on an uptrend, keeps breaking highs, keeps breaking highs, keeps breaking highs. So I would want to watch out on buying either GU or EU this coming week. So it's still like on an uptrend, so you should expect those to go down. When DXY is going up, EU, GU, AU should go down. Sometimes gold goes down the opposite way too, but gold cannot be predicted 100%. There are times gold will go with DXY. You need to be very careful with gold. It's a very skeptical currency pair to trade. As I was saying, because of this, I'm still expecting the DXY to be bullish, so I'm still bearish on GU, although I caught a buy on GU last week. So let me show you how the buy was, because I'm expecting it to come all the way up here, but then for the sell, like I told you, I'm expecting a sell because DXY is still going higher. So I think, was it on the 2 hours or the 1 hour? I think it was on the 1. So we have consolidation, the expansion, the retracement, and the reversal. So you can see it gave us a very nice order block down here after breaking this to the high. And we knew it was coming for this block after breaking this low. Of course, it has created liquidity here for you to grab. I already moved this since it has taken out that liquidity. So this was the liquidity I saw that it was going to come for, this equal high here. So I knew the market was going to go above here. So which was why I got in on here. I actually used the fib 1 to 2 here, and it came to negative 27 and I was out. So that was the buy I saw. But like I said, I'm on overall trade downtrend on GUA and EU. I don't really trade EU. I don't know why. I just don't like its pattern. I prefer GU. GU is my favorite pair. Then EU sometimes if I see a good setup. So I'm expecting this for the week to come into this zone and give me some kind of a bearish signal for me to go down and take it all the way down. The all the way down, let me show you what I think, what I'm targeting. Although I will not go beyond there, of course, but then I say demand zone that needs to be filled. This big candle needs to be filled. We have an imbalance here that needs to be filled up. So I would want to stay at this low, but then I'm expecting all this place to be filled up. So that's what I have for GU. AU, same thing. I'm expecting the market to come all the way here, then, bounce down. So this will not hold, but I'm expecting it to be either come here and swipe all this liquidity, then come all the way down here because we have a demand zone down here too. So that's what I am looking up for USDPS. So like I said, I want to give you guys 2 free trades. These are my red list. They are the hot one that I'm expecting already. Although EURNZD, I missed it by a pip. Some little pip, not a pip to say, but then. So, like I said, a consolidation expansion, you can see, gave us a very nice order block. I think on the 4 hours, 4 hours, it will be more clear. We had this break of structure. So gave us a liquidity here that we knew the market was going to take out. But I was expecting it to come for this other block, but it didn't tag me in. You can see this. And I think it's already going for the trend line liquidity that is here. But then what I can say is sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. So I don't know. It might still maybe come up and tap me in, then go down. But if not, I'm good. I'm good. And if you look at the overall trend, so let me show you the targets. We have demand zone down here that has not been mitigated. So I feel like when the market broke structure and the market came here, it's heading down there. So that's my overall target. But then let's see. We might, if this trade plays out well, maybe if I can get a good break of this low, if this low is taken out completely, in case maybe it doesn't want to come back here, if this low is taken out completely, right, this coming week, then that means this, my little friend here, is going to be my new target to get in on the sell. That's if, so if this is taken out, please quote me right. Do not go and spend your hard-earned money on something you do not understand, guys. I said if it is taken out. So I will be looking out to see this candle, this coming week candle, break this completely. Then if it comes back up here, I'm going to take that trade and write it down like I was expecting. You understand? So that's what I can see. If this gets taken out, I repeat, guys, if it gets taken out, then I will be looking to target here to write it down. So, but if not, I'm going to wait. My setup, my sell limit is still there. I've not removed it in case it comes all the way up to tap me in. But then if this gets breaking out, I will still leave this one. Then I'll set another setup here to see if, so that I won't miss the whole sell, because I know definitely this is going to sell. Okay, so the one more I want to give you is just the same setup. So I will give you EURCHF and GBPCHF. EURCHF, we have a break of a high and a demand zone right here. So I'm expecting the euro for it to actually come here, tap me in, and carry me all the way up here. You can see this nice setup, I mean, you know, expansion. We are looking for the retracement and the reversal. So that's what I have on here. So GBPCHF has already broken it, and I think it already tapped into the other block. I'm already in this trade right now. I held it over the weekend. So this is just a trap. If you know me very well, when you have another block like this, is either it's already mitigated or I see it as a trap. So that's why I have this. This doesn't really count. It's just like a trap order block. So I'm expecting GBPCHF to ride all the way up to go and meet this before the overall sell. Same thing for EURCHF. I'm expecting it to come all the way down to tap me in for the overall sell. So that's what I have. I think I'm giving you enough. And the rest is for my students. And I will see you guys next week. I hope you're having fun. I hope you're learning. I hope you are getting something from my channel. If you have any question or you feel like you want to learn this, I teach people. I give out my time to teach people one-on-one. Reach out to me and we're going to talk. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.